I found in my patient's dreams what Jesus taught through parables. The collective unconscious responds to his symbols because they reflect eternal psychological truths.
Is your soul at peace? If you have hesitated even for a moment, then perhaps this story is meant for you. Since the dawn of humanity, we have searched for meaning in the stars, the earth, and each other's stories. Carl Jung believed that deep within each of us is a reservoir of inherited wisdom, an area he called the collective unconscious. This is a psychic inheritance, consisting not of personal memories, but of universal symbols and patterns. Jung called them archetypes: the mother, the hero, the trickster, the wise old man. They live in the stories we tell, the dreams we have, and the longings we carry within us. In ancient Galilee, a carpenter-turned-teacher named Jesus told simple stories. Yet these stories, parables, resonate through the ages because they speak the language of archetypes. Take, for example, the parable of the prodigal son. At first glance, this is the story of a wayward boy who squanders his inheritance and returns home in shame. But at heart, it is an archetypal journey, a fall, an awakening, and a return. It is a story of the lost and the gained, of the sinner and the redeemed, of the father who forgives and the child who seeks love. Jung could see in this parable the work of the self calling the ego home. The prodigal son represents a fragmented part of ourselves, lost in materialism, egoism, pride. The return is a process of individuation, reintegration into wholeness, into truth. The father is not just a man, but a symbol of divine compassion, the archetypal wise elder who accepts all our brokenness with open arms. Jesus' parables offered no rules. They offered truth through history, addressing the soul that lies below culture, below age, below creed. Jung, too, offered not dogma, but insights into the universal mind we all share. Both men saw that we are not just flesh and thought. We are spirits seeking reconciliation. We long for home. We long for purpose. We long for a love that doesn't condemn, and a forgiveness that sets us free. So when Jesus spoke of lost sheep, of hidden treasures, of mustard seeds that grow into mighty trees, he was pointing not only to heaven, but inward, to the garden within each of us, overgrown with fear, but fertile with hope. And Jung reminded us that by understanding these symbols, these archetypes, we comprehend not only ancient stories, but ourselves. These myths are not outdated. They are mirrors showing us what we are and what we could be. So, is your soul at peace? If not, perhaps it's time to come home, not to somewhere else, but to your truth. The story of the prodigal son is not just his story, yours and mine. Allow your soul to smile again. Write your name on your own heart today. Forgive yourself. Come home. Find peace. Find meaning. Make your soul happy. Subscribe to the channel. Your inner world needs this.